life a story. I'm trying to find the glory. Got them all sleeping on me. My haters out here dying, snoring. Why they mad that I'm finally growing? And they see me fighting for it. What they wanna get involved for? I kill them all off until I'm enormous. Cause 9 to 5 is boring. Grinding 5 in the morning. I'd rather make music, get paid for it, die with a fortune. And my ride is foreign. Every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all. Just being honest. They don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. They out of pocket. They don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king. Call me your highness. This life a movie, I'm a motherfucking star like Clooney. From dusk till dawn, I'm a loose sleep. I ain't tryna live broke like you be. I've been coming for the bag, I do me. Will I get paid? Absolutely. Cause you better knew a boss like Takeoff. I ain't left all bad and bougie. Heard them talk, they barely knew me. I ain't let no stranger fool me. When I came in the game, y'all showing that fake love. I ain't look past your jewelry. Now this ride is foreign. Every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all. Just being honest. They don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. They out of pocket. They don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king. Call me your highness.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back. How's it going? How is it going? Welcome to the stream, y'all. Appreciate every single one of you for being here. Who we got here? We got Dave in the chat. We got Jess. We got William. We got Johnny. What's up? What's up? How's it going? Chantel, welcome to the official fam. I see you there. All right, y'all. It is Monday morning. We are rocking and rolling here. Starting off a couple minutes late. So, yeah, it looks like I did not. It's funny. It looks like I didn't update my chart. My chart literally looks the same as when we left off on Friday. No worries though. We'll get that updated. Before we start though, let's go ahead and throw some ones in the chat. Can we get some ones in the chat? 111. I want to do a daily affirmation with you. We got to start off with some positivity always, right? Start your day off with positivity and watch how your day can go, you know? Chat, remember, you are what you think, you know, no matter how bad things are. I want you to remember that if you just verbally say out loud, I'm happy, I'm thriving, I'm joyful, I'm abundant, just say it out loud, right? Even when you get upset, just say it out loud. I promise you, say it out loud 3 times. It's going to be hard for that feeling to overcome you. All right, here we go. March 17th, 2025 reads as follows. When you focus on opportunities, you'll see more opportunities. When you focus on problems, you'll see more problems. Be careful what you focus your attention on, because where your attention goes, energy flows. We are what we think, chat. If you think to yourself, oh man, when I see this person, it's up. When I see this person, they're gonna da, 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 right? You thinking negative thoughts. But if you think to yourself, you know what? Don't like this person, but when I see them, whatever. Watch how that changes, right? It's an energy shift there. Savo on the charts. What's up? What's up? I see you, Jabrain. W Lens, I appreciate you so much. Good morning to you. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and update the charts. I'm going to start off with gold over here on the left-hand side. I actually looks like I only have to add one zone. One zone. Alright, let's see. Let's just add that in there. Where's my other line? Ah, over here. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's just copy this. And let's just drag it up. Keep it simple. That way it's the same size. Let me know in the chat, how are you doing? How was your weekend, chat? How's everybody doing? We feeling okay? We feeling good? If not, hopefully you can come to this stream and get a distraction, right? And feel pretty nice. Okay, I just need to label this, and I guess that's it. It's like we'll be going off of the bank zones mostly today. All right, let's take a look at gold here in the 4 hour. We're in this range here. Oh, where's my box? Where's my box? We're in this range here on the 4 hours, so who's to say we're going to come down? We could come down, but we've been ranging, so there's that. Let's take a look at this on the 1 hour. Yeah, just kind of seeing this range in more detail, right? So yeah, I don't know what's going to happen, chat. I don't predict the future. I can't sit here and tell you whether it's going to go up and down. We just do our analysis to the best of our abilities. We'll be zooming in on a shorter time frame like we've been doing with this volatility, and just trying to catch some small moves. I'm not trying to catch a big home run. We only need a few small moves, and that's it, right? Couple base hits, good for the day. So not a fan of the range. When you see it on the 1 hour, we have a little range down here as well. Then we have a range up in here too. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Pretty good fall on the 15 minute. All right, so we're in a downtrend, but we're currently getting a bounce up, so we'll roll with that. That's what we got. It's the information we got. It almost looks like a double bounce, right? I'm just kind of looking at it in the 5 minute here. Jeez, chat, I really don't like this range. I'm just looking, I'm like, we have a bunch of ranges on the 3 minute. My goodness, we even have a range up in here. Now we're ranging in here, right? It's range city today, man. Range city. But it looks like we're sitting on that 95 level, 995. So we're just gonna have to be patient and rock and roll with that. Seven, good morning to you. King, good morning to you. Good weekend. Had a 6 hour Monopoly game on Saturday. Wow. 6 hours. Y'all are dedicated. Wow. That's cool though. It's nice to play with people who are serious. You know, that makes it more entertaining, right? Daniel, what's up? What's up? Good morning to you. Welcome back. That's awesome though. 6 hour game. I kind of want to see where that VWAP is. Oh, we are below it. Below it. Interesting. And if we anchor the opening at 8 o'clock, I just want to see where that is. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. We're below it. I just want to see what this looks like in a higher time frame, y'all. So yeah, we're below VWAP. We're below the volume from the opening at 8 o'clock. Definitely all things that would make you think sell, right? Sell, sell, sell. But that's really, really interesting where price is here. I'm gonna delete it. We'll keep it in mind though. Trying to think if I want to just graph gold into one big range instead of two separate ranges. We'll see. We will see. Let me know in the chat, did anybody take a trade today? Anybody take a trade? I've seen a lot of official members and a lot of subscribers. Quite a few of you passed your challenges last week in your evaluations, so that's really good news, right? Love to see that. There's quite a few of you back to back saying that you passed. So hopefully you're excited to trade today if it's your first day on the funded account. And keep it going, right? Rinse and repeat. Whatever you did to pass, rinse and repeat. Take your time. Rise and shine, Yoquet. What's up, Yoquet? Took a gold sell at 29.58. Yeah, you're on the Forex chart, so your numbers are different than me. Gold for me is in the 3,000s. So I know, yeah, you got different numbers than me. Made 1,600 on a gold buy. Let's go, Camario. Nice. Beautiful. Small trades so far posted in Discord. Okay, let's see. Let's pull up the Discord. Smokey says, got a quick 60 pip scalp 4-minute trade. You know, when I read 4 minutes, I was going to say, wait a minute, you're on a 4-minute time frame? But you meant you're in it for 4 minutes. I was about to say, timeout. When did I miss the 4-minute time frame? That's what I was really about to say. Like, hold on a second. Where is the 4-minute time frame? Did anybody else think that as I said it? Beautiful buys. It's a nice engulfing candle too. You got in really good there. Nice. Hopefully we get something good. Not hopefully, we will, chat, right? We speak it into existence. We will get something good. We will. Right now we're kind of chopping around. I will say, if we go down to the 1 minute, take a look over here. We got a lot of buyers stepping in at this level, right? Lots of bullish pressure here. Looks like that's where Smokey got in. Actually, that's Smokey's setup. So yeah, a lot of buyers stepped in over there. So now that we're over here and we kind of took out that low and now we're ranging and consolidating, it is possible that buyers may want to step in here again. Only problem is, well, we are below a lot of volatility volume. We're at a spot where sellers could really take over. So that's the part that makes it tough. So I'm just waiting to see how these candles form, and I'll kind of go off of that. See, here we go again, bouncing off of 995 level. If this candle shoots up bullish through here, it could give some candle flip vibes. Could. Got about 10 minutes till 9:30. Could give candle flip vibes. See it on the 5 minute. See if it breaks this high. Where's that high at? Yeah, it could be a 15-minute flip. Yeah, chat, this may be something that I give a go. Trying to think to where though. Ah, this candle closed below here. Be a 30-point stop loss though. Let's see how this candle closes here on the 3-minute time frame. We got about 2 minutes till this candle closes. So I'd like to see how this candle closes. If this candle closes bullish, depending on how the next candle forms, I may think about buys here. But we'll see. Took one loss on gold to break even on NAS. Okay, okay. To break even. Hey, managing your money, right? Let's take a look at NAS while we're waiting for this candle to close. We got about 1 minute and 50 seconds till this candle closes. Let's take a look here at NASDAQ. Let's bring it to the higher time frame. Don't believe there's anything I really need to add. No, it's good. It's good. I mean, yeah, the daily is pretty choppy, but it looks like it's trying to push up. Got 3-bar reversal down here on the 4-hour time frame. Very possible that this may continue up today. About 300 points. Very chopped. Let's see it on the 1 hour. Just closed above this resistance here. Now looks like we're retesting it. Wow, very bullish, huh? All right, let's take a look at where that VWAP is. Oh, it's all the way down there. All the way down there. Okay. All right. We're currently falling, so we're definitely going to have to wait for a setup here. Let me turn the VWAP back on. I'm seeing on the 30-minute. And the 30-minute, it's at 6:35. 71 points away. Okay. Just curious to see. 70 points away. All right, that candle closed here. Look at it. It almost looked like a fake out, right? We broke above. And then we failed. So that's why I tell you, I wanted to see how this candle closes, because you got to be careful when price is coming out of a range. It can be really tricky to figure out when it's time to enter. So my trick with smaller ranges is I just try to wait to see a candle close that looks good to me. You know what I mean? Instead of just trying to impulse the candle flip, impulse it breaking highs. It's hard to impulse ranges breaking highs sometimes, you know? That can get a little difficult, a little stressful. So we closed bearish on gold. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Got this little 13-point sell-off on NAS. Yeah, 9:30 coming up in about 5 minutes here, the opening. So with that said, we'll just wait. No plays here on either side right now. So we're just chilling, chat. Good morning, Steven. How's it going, Steven? Johnny, there's Johnny. There's Ian. Good morning to you. Johnny says, I think I need to make more on the challenge because of the consistency rule. So they're saying I need to make 1,900 more on top of the 3,000 I made over 1,400 Friday. Wait, Johnny, which challenge are you doing? And yeah, the consistency rule is the consistency rule is pretty realistic. I mean, So for an example, for those who don't know what the rule is, we'll practice that with this account. This is a 100K combine. So the consistency rule is 50% for all challenges and evaluations here. That means that your winning day, how much you make in a day, cannot be more than 50% of your total profits. So what does that mean? Well, what's the profit target? The profit target is 6K. So if you take 50% of your profit target, which is the consistency rule, right? That's 3K. That means you cannot make more than 3K in a day. And yes, it keeps track for you. So to simply beat this rule, all you have to do is put your daily goal less than 3K, right? So we can make our daily goal 2,900 and set it to liquidate us. That way we make sure we don't hit that rule. You know what I mean? Make sure we don't hit that rule at all. Does that make sense, everyone? Let me get a 1 in the chat if that makes sense. Let me get a 1 in the chat. Yeah, that's all you got to do. Oh, you're on the 50K. Okay. So the 50K, the profit target is 3,000. So half of that, 50% consistency rule is going to be 1,500. So if I were you, I would set it to 1,400. That's just the safer route. Put your max profit target at 1,400. That way you never go over that. You know what I mean? Thank you, Ian, for the 1. That way, you know what I mean? That way you don't have to worry about it. It's all set for you, you know? And you can still beat it in 2 days doing that, right? Because if you make 1,400, you're up 2,800 in 2 days. And all you need to do is make $200 more. Although you do need 5 winning days. So you do need 3 days of 200. So just to be realistic, if you think about the rule and you think about how you need 5 days, if you could beat it in 2 days, you can lower your profit target. You don't have to go for 1,400. You need at least 5 days of 200, you know? Janice, good morning to you. Beagle Gambles, what's up? What's up? Good morning to you. I hope you're having a great morning. Is this Top Step? Yes, this is Top Step. This week, we are still on this combine. 2 weeks ago, we were on the XFA. But I had announced that... Oh, it's right up there in the notes. Oh, no, it's this way. If you look up there in the notes, I put that we're just getting used to this volatility. We want to get nice and comfortable with this volatility. So we're going to be doing a combine. Then we'll switch back over to the XFA. Because this volatility is... It's not the craziest. It's just you have to adjust to the stop losses, right? Because the candles are a lot bigger on a smaller time frame. You know, you take the same setup, but your stop loss is a lot bigger than usual. You know what I mean? Like 2 months ago, your stop loss in this setup was 20 points. This month, your stop loss is 40 points. Taking the same setup, you know? So, just get used to this volume here. Alrighty, we got about 45 seconds on the clock till market open here. Got New York Stock Exchange open coming up. 30 seconds to go here. As far as gold goes, there's nothing here that made me think buy, because we didn't get that strong bullish closure, right? So it could be faking out to the downside here. And I say that because when we turn on the oh no, what happened? I deleted the VWAP. Chat, I didn't know I deleted the VWAP. Hold on, let me put it back. All right, here we go. Market open. I'm gonna say, when you look at the VWAP, we're below the VWAP. We're below the moving average. We're below the volume average, which means sellers are in charge. So they damn sure could sell it off if they want. But let's just see. I want to see a bullish closure to take a buy. You know? Above this range at least. Because to me, we're just sitting here chopping around. So we need to get out of this. So yeah, we're in watch mode. Let's take a look at NAS over here. We're gonna watch NAS on the 5-minute. Like to see how the first 5 minutes closes. Up and down. Jeez. Now imagine those who took impulsive sells. Imagine those taking impulsive buys right now. For me, I see it going either way here, but I'd rather stay away from this one right now. Look at gold pushing on up here. Tricky, tricky gold. Mal, what's up, Mal? Good morning to you, Mal. Welcome back to the stream. Jeez, we are pumping on both sides. Looks like gold is trying to break out to the top side here. So remember I said for me to get in buys here, I wanted to see a closure above this range here. Or below. I mean, you know, either way, we want to see price get out of this range before we execute anything here. You know what I mean? All right, NAS is pumping. Good morning, Paul. What's up, Paul? Valentino FX, what's up? Good morning. I hope you're having a great morning. Appreciate you coming through as well. By the way, chat, while we're waiting here, for those who missed out on my Instagram story over the weekend, I'm going to share with you some things. Let's see. And go ahead and follow me on Twitter, chat. I'm going to put it. Oh my God, it's not Twitter no more, right? It's X. Go ahead and follow me on X. My bad. Follow me on X. No, I'm always posting things throughout the day, even if it's on the weekend. If you want to keep up with me, posting positive quotes, motivation quotes. Sometimes I'll just type something, but sometimes I'll type advice, all the above. You never know what I'm going to say. So yeah, check me out on X. I wanted to share this with you. It says your dreams will become a reality this year. You gotta believe it. You have to believe that. You have to believe. You know, a lot of people say this is my year, but low key, they kind of doubt themselves a little bit. You got to take away the doubt and just go strong with it. It's my year, and that's it. If you have to keep saying it out loud, keep saying it out loud. We got another one that says, God didn't bring you this far to leave you. That's a good one for someone who needs to hear that. And this one I really wanted to share because I just wanted to give a shout out to some of our super supporters here. I said, you always show up for Saturday's masterclass. You stay positive. You ask great questions. You put in the work. I'm truly proud of all of you. Can't wait to see even more payouts this year. And that came from Ian, Karain, Dave. If you notice in the Discord, they've been posting their wins. They post their struggles too, but they've been trading very well on their own, you know, and these are all people who have been in the super supporter membership, which is our most popular membership. And that's where I kind of break down my strategy. But I wanted to share this because someone joined and said, wow, you guys are snipers. My goodness, do y'all trade live? And I'm like, that's our members. That's our people. That's what I'm talking about. This community trades, you know? But yeah, shout out to them. They show up, they get the knowledge. They get the knowledge from me. They get the knowledge from the community. They get the knowledge from you all, right? We all share knowledge with each other. So I just wanted to give a big shout out, and I recognize the hard work being put in. Love it. Love to see more of that. All right, let's check out this closure here real quick. So it did close bullish, but it still closed inside of this range, right? So again, you got to be careful taking impulses. Can you imagine how many people took an impulse buy here? Now they're probably chitter chattering their teeth, right? You got to be careful in these ranges. Ranges are danger to society, chat. Menace to society, these ranges. And let me share with you yesterday I went to one of my favorite spots when I need to recalibrate, reset, get some peace. I like to go to this park here. So I put, I'm blessed to live in paradise. Come to this place to relax, recharge, and reset for the week. Just wanted to share this with you. Just a quick little clip. I was walking around, but just beautiful nature, the water, the palm trees. Did I get any ducks? Oh, you can see the ducks in the background. There was a lot of ducks. Yeah, it's just such a beautiful place just to go there. A lot of families go there too. Everybody goes here who lives locally. It's just such a nice place, Mr. Darien, good morning to you. Up 28% on day one. My XFA probably done for the day. Wait, 28%? Or do you mean you're 28% to your goal? You're 28% to your goal? That's awesome. I love that. Keep on. Missed out on what I just got a 25-second ad. No, Mal. Okay, I'll play it one more time. Okay, here we go. You probably saw it now. Quick 586 on Dow buys. Nice. Always think of the last day's close as your entry point. Paul Tudor Jones. Yeah, and then here's another picture I put up. One of the books that I'm reading. Decide to sit over here and take a little read for a while. I actually sat there. I read for like an hour. It's very nice and peaceful. Very, very nice. All right, let's get back on the charts here. Looks like we swept the lows here on gold. Now we're back inside of the range. Commentating gold today is just wow. A lot going on, right? A lot. Let's see how this candle closes. We're going to get a closure in about 30 seconds here. So let's see. NASA's off of my screen, so I guess I have to adapt and adjust. Not adapt, but we need to adjust our screen. What a breakout this was. Let's see it on the 3-minute here. Very strong. Let's see. Now, this is a strong closure. But to be honest with you, if I waited for this closure, there's no way I'd take a buy here because stop loss would be too big for me. I can't do the 60-point stop loss. Look, I may do the 40-point stop losses, but I'm not doing the 60-point. I'm sorry, that's out of my plan. Not for me personally. I'm just looking at some of these banks. I want to get rid of some of these bank zones. I'm just gonna clean up our chart a little bit. Just delete. Is that the turtle song? Why is the turtle song coming on? We're not in the trade. Wrong timing. Oh wait, let me put that one back. No. Okay. Let's start from here and work our way up. Put a zone right over here. Rise and shine, fam. What's up, Jose? Good morning to you. Might have a 50k XFA in terms of the amount we're able to lose them up. 20% in regards to the amount. Oh, I got you. I got you. I'm doing 31-day hard on Mars. Imagine I'm gonna eat salad on my brother's birthday. Oh, happy birthday to your brother. Technically 1% over on the account. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, I'm just gonna keep adding these levels, although as we keep going up, just do it like that. Hopefully y'all don't hear my dogs in the background. My dogs are in here. And yeah, we'll keep it like that for now. All right. Taking a look over here at gold. So notice we keep spiking above this moving average and we never closed above yet. Even right here, we closed below. My goodness. Wow. Wow. Like we keep spiking above it and we just don't close above it. So closing above it could be a sign as well. But yeah, we're in watch mode on gold. We're in watch mode. Got a new 3-minute candle here. Got about 2 minutes and 30 seconds till it closes. Let's take a look here at NAS. Fresh off of a bullish breakout here during the opening. 15-minute candle will close in about 2 minutes. No thoughts really. I mean, most days I don't get in at 9:30, so I usually have to wait till after anyway, so it's all right. We're gonna be patient. Do your dogs trade as well? That's hilarious. That would be interesting if they did, right? I bet I could teach them how to press a button or something. You ever see those videos on TikTok where people have buttons and they have like the words like outside, walk, treat, food, water? You ever see those TikToks where people you like record your voice and you put it in the button, and then when your dog presses the button it says your voice, so the dog can press it when they want to go for a walk, they press it when they're hungry. I bet if I do that and I make trading buttons, it would be an interesting experiment. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. Got another candle over here on gold, trying to attempt to close above that moving average. Let's see if this candle can do it. I feel like we're watching a competition here, chat. I really do. I feel like we're watching a competition here. Will this candle close above that moving average? Is the question. And it kind of looks like it did a double bottom within this range. Yeah, it definitely did. And when I put this on the 1 minute, it looks like we got Pendant City going on. It's a little hard to see it. Kind of get the vibe a little bit. Oh, maybe it's just me, chat. Is it just me? I'm kind of getting that vibe. I don't know. I'm not forcing it. I'm not going to force it. All right, we closed above, meaning we may have a good chance to continue a break up now. I'm going to give this a buy. I'm going to give this a go, because that is the first time we closed above. We'll put my stop loss below the previous candle here. Nice bullish closure on the 5 minute. Move it down here. Oh no, not risking that much. Yeah, I'm only willing to risk this much here. Not risking 450. Are you insane? 450 on a small gold setup? Nah. Not for me. Let's see here. I'm gonna target top of this range. A little bit more than a 1-to-1, but it's about a 1-to-1. Oh, stopped out there. All right. Was giving that a chance to break out. I'll put on the 5 minutes so you can see what I'm saying. We kind of closed above this range here. Let me put a box around it. See this range here? So we did all that spiking, 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 spiking. And then we get that closure above this range. That's why I entered there. But let's see. Definitely not going to give it another chance if it does circle back up. But that's all right. Gave it a try. Gave it a go. Gave it a little go. We were already up on the day, so we had a little cushion to start this morning. Even if you used the previous 5 minute as a low, you would have got stopped out. So if you did do that 40-point stop loss, you would have got stopped out anyway. You can see right here how we took out that low. Look at 40-point stop loss. What took you out anyway? Isn't that crazy? Oh, unnecessary candle. That is unnecessary. Very unnecessary. So much liquid under 29.90s. Yep. What's up, SMW? Good morning to you. That'd be funny. Diamond, you looking at buys or sells? Go for a walk. Yeah, that'd be cool. Lee Saunders, good morning to you. Hope you're having a great morning. Caught a nice buy in CJ. Very nice. 10K Don, good morning. They'd be more profitable than 90% of the YouTube traders. Hey, I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna leave that there. That's a funny comment. Like I said, y'all, anyone who trades live on YouTube, show them some credit and gratitude. Those who don't trade live on YouTube, stop showing them gratitude. No. I'm not saying don't be nice. Be nice. Be nice. But be careful where you spend your time is all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Be careful where you spend your time if they don't trade live on YouTube. There's no excuse not to. You can even do it once a year. You can't even squeeze that out of people. You can't even get them to do it once a year. Just one time. That's it. We didn't ask for a consistent week. We didn't ask for 5 consecutive days in a row. We just asked for one time. I don't think that's asking for too much. Is it, chat? Is that asking for too much? Just one time. You're so passionate about it, right? You're so moved by it. Got it tattooed, for goodness sake. Some of them. Some of them have it tattooed. So if you're so passionate about it, share your talent with the world. 1 hour. You love the new layout. It's clean. Thank you so much. Yeah, I changed it up a little bit from Friday, if you noticed. Trying to keep it like the charts are front and center. I'm to the side, you know? All right, what a move down here we had on NAS. Take that off. Big move down, wow. could kind of, I see set up here in the 1 minute. That wasn't too bad. What was the risk? 30 points is reasonable. 30 points is reasonable. I hate to just only watch on the 1 minute though. You know? We're gonna keep it on the 3 minute. Look at gold teeter-tottering back and forth here. We got a candle flip and now it's gonna break out. Wow. That sucks, chat, but that's just trading, you know? That's just trading. That is just trading. So like I said, even if you had your stop loss at the 5 minute low, you still would have got stopped out. That's crazy. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Now she's gonna go. Let's see it on the 1 minute. Oh my goodness, gold. Oh my goodness. You took it on NAS, yeah. Up another 400 on a little pullback to the 20 EMA. That's 998 for the day. I'm done. On US 30, let's go. The US 30 is doing you justice, Ian. Doing you justice. Don't know if they're being silent or silenced by... Oh, you're funny. Let's see here. 45 seconds till closure. Jeez, gold is being so stubborn. Let's check out Topstep. I'm gonna be a little nosy. See how they're trading this morning.
Topstep TV brand microphone. P, you're speaking in cursive over there.
All right, the code is down $3. Not bad. Let's go to the morning. Right at 9:30 open. I guess that's about it. Not much happened. Just down $3. Well, that's not bad. $3, right? That ain't bad. Wish I was down $3. No. I mean, we're down 145. That's nothing. That's literally nothing. I still consider it. I almost consider it zero still, so that's fine. Look at gold trying to, so tempting. It's just so tempting. But I'm gonna let it be. Hey, Tech Solstice. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a great day. They're all smiles this AM. Yep. All smiles. US 30 kicking it today. Is that a good thing? Look at last Friday's close on your gold chart. You'll see price teeter-tottering around that level. Friday's close. Yeah, 2993 right here. Yep. This chop sucks. It sucks. Look at this. It may be a day where we're going to be relying on NAS. NAS for me takes a little bit to heat up, so I'm not even worried about it. Let it do what it's doing right now. Takes a little bit to heat up sometimes on NAS. Let's actually take a look at it on the 1 minute. All right, so we came out of this range, came back into this range, and now we're just kind of sitting here. Now right here, we're in between two zones, so not really a spot where I want to take a buy or sell if we're in the middle. So yeah, I mean, we're watching it, or I'm watching it. I'm just giving it some time to move around a little bit, checking the temperature. Even though it looks pretty bullish. Looks pretty bullish here. But in these market conditions, you can never be too short. So I want to wait till we see a setup. Kind of getting away from the impulse entries today. May not be an impulse entry type of day, you know? Give gold some Cardi. Oh yeah, we didn't play that, huh?
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
I'll tell you, there is no reason for this. There was absolutely no reason to throw this in here. This was just pitiful, chat. Pitiful. Took out everybody. I tell you, even if you put your stop loss under the 5 minute, you got clipped too. They just clipped everybody. And so let's take everybody out before we go a little bit further here. Dave with the official logo. I appreciate you, Dave. Thank you so much. Like the way US 30 moves for real. Multiple 200-point moves per day with several more 50, 100-point moves in between. Lots of opportunities. Hey, that's awesome, Ian. I haven't traded US 30 since I think last summer. It's been a while. I usually switch out NAS and US 30. I don't like to trade them both at the same time because of the volatility. So if you've been on this stream for the last couple years, you'll know that I'll trade US 30 for some time. Maybe like 5-6 months, and then I'll switch it out. I'll throw NAS up here 5-6 months, and we'll just keep switching back and forth. And also I try to focus on 2 at a time as well, so I don't want to focus on 3 pairs, you know. Much easier to focus on 2 than 3, because like, see how like gold, like it's clearly no setup on gold right now, so that's easy for me to just whatever and just focus on NAS. Now if I had another pair up here, it would be a little bit more difficult. Chop, what's up, Tech Jumper? Good morning to you. Appreciate that. Bringing out the sun. Hey chat, whenever you're having a bad day, bad morning, or anything, remember the sun comes up every single day. That's a quote that I heard a couple years back, and it changed my life, because when you think about it, the sun comes up every day regardless. You get a fresh restart, right? You don't want to carry in yesterday into the next day. It's fresh restart, reset, you know? All right, so all that, and then we end up closing below here. Look at that retest here. Wow. Look at it on the 15 minute. Wow, are they actually bringing this down? Yeah, I mean, if we break this low, although we've broken lows a few times over here, so, and it didn't go anywhere. Could be a fake out to the downside to go up. Oh, what I just say? Could have been a fake out to go up. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. If you got stopped out on gold today, it's okay. I'm just here to let you know it's okay. We will live to trade another day. So just watching here. Just watching both sides here. And that's coming down pretty heavy. This looks a little heavy. About 50 points down here on this 3-minute candle. That candle's a statement. Now, will this continue down? Looks like it's going to continue down if we break this low. 52 point stop loss. Trying to think if we do maybe $6 a point, or maybe a little less. We use this high. A little too late here, chat. A little too late. Just a little too late. I was trying to calculate what a smaller lot size would be if we risk 50, but I think it would be $6 a point. But while I was calculating that, as this top wick was formed, I'm thinking maybe this could have been something, but yeah, we'll wait it out. We'll wait it out. If, to me, the better stop loss is up here, and if that's too big to take, then we'll see if it dances around a little bit and gives a better setup. All right, gold closed bullish above here again. Closed bullish above here, closed bullish above here, and it closed bullish above here. 3 different times. Yeah, who loves gold? Tell me how you really feel about gold. Such an annoying pair, eh? Just waiting here. Candle's gonna close in about 35 seconds. Consolidating here. This is kind of giving the pendant vibes as well, right? Now we're kind of at the bottom here. 5 seconds till closure. All right, let's see what we got now. this candle breaks this low, be 43-point stop loss. 43, chat. My goodness. Let's see this on the 1 minute again. How big is this range? 88 points. 88-point range. Now see how we broke inside of this range and we ended up coming back up outside of it? That we have to be careful of. Because to me, if we were to like group this together as a range, now we're back inside of the range, right? Which could mean that we may not be coming down. So a little bit of a tricky spot. Little bit of a tricky spot. This is what I want to see though. How do we act now that we came back up to this level here at 765? We rejected it so far. So now if we come back down, let's see. I'd be more likely to get in, you know what I mean? But yeah, it depends how this closes. Gold taking both sellers and buyers hostage. And that's going up, it's just a retracement. Remember, gold at all-time high. Measure this. It's 80 points away. What the heck? Y'all see how that candle closed? We just can't win in this market, huh? What a closure. What a closure that was. All right, let's see here. All right, we keep getting bounces in this area. It's almost looking like it's trying to form a support, right? Let's see how this one closes. Got about 2 minutes till closure. I want to see how this candle closes here. Make sure I'm calculating right. I probably have to lower my risk a lot more. Yeah, gonna have to use, not doing $10 a point here. Gonna have to do probably 6. Or maybe 8. Let's see, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Gonna be real patient here and wait for this closure. While we're waiting, I think you know what time it is. Let's go ahead and play a chess game here. My level is a little higher in the bullet now, so competition's gonna be tough here. Jeez. Check. I did not see that. Did not see that. Jeez. Okay, candle closed. That was... Jeez, that was all of 50 seconds. This would be a 60-point risk, chat. 60-point risk at the break of this high. Not doing 60 risk. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Not doing 60 risk. Alright, we're gonna take a rain check. Time for me to feed the dogs, so I'll be right back. Just give me like 1 minute. Give me 1 minute to feed the dogs, chat. And I'll be right back with you. No plays here on either of these candles. Alright. Be right back. By the way, while I'm gone, if you've been enjoying the stream, don't forget to give it a like. All right, I'm back. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, we didn't really go anywhere here. All right. I'm thinking NAS is going to continue up quite a bit. Stop loss here would be 45. 45. So again, have to do like $6 a point here. Let's get the calculator out. 45 times 6, be risking like 270 at the break of that high. Probably be pretty good here, and I'm really just thinking the 850. That's a 1-to-1 though. Hold on. Or is that a little bit under 1-to-1? 80 to 110. Yeah, wait. This is a weird setup. That was fast. Thank you, D-Hub. I'm glad it was fast. Let's see here. Is the mic sounding good today, chat? Mic is much better. Is it sounding good? Forgot to turn the light off for the dogs. Give me 1 second. Mike is great. Yes. Thank you, y'all. Thank you. I appreciate that. Well, if we continue up. Maybe this is for if we continue on. Maybe we'll look at this area. That'd be the first area to look at. It's like we may be getting a candle flip bounce here. Nah, we don't need that. Okay, let's see. May look to take buys here, chat, but see, it kind of looks like a pendant, right? Or I guess you could say a range, but looks like we kind of came out of it and now we're here. So that could be the test to continue that breakout, because we have a lot of buyers here and then we got the sellers just try to match it. The sellers failed and we should be continuing up. Right. Look at all this buying pressure here. Sellers came in, didn't really do too much. Getting a closure in 30 seconds. 30-second closure. Yeah, I like it. You been got a new mic? Yeah, last week I got a new mic. Love the background music. Thank you. Yeah, let me know if it's too low. Usually I hear it a little louder, but I think it's... See, my volume and the stream volume are two different things. So, looking to take a buy here. By the way, on mass, we can complete this candle flip and break through the opening of this candle. Or even actually, let's see. Let's see. Bottom wick would be nice. Yeah, give us a bottom wick. We can break this high here. Can we break the high? And continue though. Let's like the high. Didn't really get a follow through here. My goodness. My goodness. Oh, the range today, man. The range, the range, the range. Meanwhile, gold is they don't want nobody in that. Oh my goodness. Yo, what's up, Frankie? How's your day going? Gold really loves the stop loss. Hey. Gold got us. Gold definitely got us. We waited. We had a really great closure here. And it still got us. This pattern on gold, I call it little brother, big brother. It does it all the time. All right, let's see if back over to Nat. Let's see if we can break this high here, be about 35 point stop loss. So maybe we can do $8 a point. Close to 10. Not close enough, but it's close. I'm gonna switch the song a little bit. I think we need some intense music because let's see what we got here. Nah. Wrong chat. Let me. Need some upbeat music. Let's see. Wow, look at how that candle closed. Jeez. Ian, gonna go watch the Boondocks. Hey, I haven't seen that in a while since I made my profits this morning. See y'all later. Let's have a good week, fam. See you later. I love the 111 there and the good vibes. Glad you had a great trading day, Ian. I'm proud of you. Seriously, I'm proud of you, Ian. Nasitro, you still ride your bike? Yes, I have a motorcycle still. Yes. One day I'm just gonna do the stream in my helmet. Should I? Just do the stream in my, I'll put my motorcycle gear on. I'll call it my bulletproof gear. It's not bulletproof, but it looks bulletproof. Well, coming on down. Coming on down. Still have a little bit of faith in this. I'm really interested in this because we had a lot of even though it was a little chopped, we had a lot of buying pressure here. So You know, if we don't break these lows, I'm still kind of interested in maybe some buys here. So yeah, let's see. Although we did just close below here. And it's a doji. Wow. It's an equal. I don't know what they want to do. Gonna wait it out a little bit, chat. Gonna wait it out a little bit. Remember, if you're getting trigger happy, do play a game. Watch the stream. It'll keep you out of things that aren't in your plans, right? Because when we look at this, technically we're back inside of this range down here, right? This is a range 1, and then we'll say this is range 2. We're back inside range 2. So, nothing we can do here right now. Alright, let's go ahead and pull up a chess game. What happened to my chess? Thought I had it. That would be dope actually, but you might have a hard time breathing. No, I would open up the mask part so I could breathe. I got the one where I can just press the button and I can have it like open. Yeah, if you look up motorcycle helmets, motorcycle gear in general, it's very expensive. Even motorcycle pants. Don't look up how much motorcycle pants are, chat. You're gonna be like, what? Dang, I don't know where to go here. It's a difficult setup. Gonna have to take. I got 12 seconds? Oh my god, I got 12 seconds. What the heck? This is tough. This is so tough. I got 1 second. I lost on time. Was this an equal game or no? Oh, no, they got white winning. Really? Alright, let's minimize that real quick. Gold is still on a bullish pump. And ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are telling me to keep that gold was selling off this morning, you have to remember that when we're in ranges, anything can happen, especially in this type of market. So it's tough to go off of what you normally go off of. You want to try to look at it both ways. So just a reminder. Coming over here to NAS, we did break that low indeed. We did break that low. I kind of want to see it on a higher time frame here. It's almost looking like a 3-bar reversal on the 1 hour, huh? Your pop says a CBR 929RR. Really? Oh, nice. Do you ride? You ride too, or? Let me measure this real quick. 135. 135, about right here. Let's measure 135 one more time. Higher than that. It's a really strong closure here in the 30-minute. Look at that. That VWAP now. Let's turn this off for a second. Oh, we're back on it. Back down to VWAP we go. Well, chat. Back down to VWAP. Okay, tell me this. Let me look on the 5-minute. Where is 9:30 opening? Right over here. Wow, so if we anchor that, we're in a pinch. That's not good. So usually when you're inside of a pinch, the rule that they say is, hey, don't trade in the pinch because you're going to get pinched. But yeah, we're inside of a pinch. Wow. That's no fun. So yeah, this is gonna be a little more trickier. See here, taking a look at gold still uppity up, so yeah, no play here for me on gold. I don't, but I'd love to, but it's one of those you need to learn on something else slower first kind of things. Yeah, you definitely need to learn on something slower. You'll get wrecked on that. No joke. Be back in a bit. Got you, Frankie. Yeah, I mean, so the motorcycle class I went to a couple years ago, they had a lot of beginner CCs. They had mostly 500 CCs and 300 CCs. I actually learned on a 500. I didn't know either. I thought I was learning on a 300. I learned on a 500, but I learned on like it was an older bike. The bike was so old, it doesn't even show what gear you're in, but they purposely did that. So they purposely did that because they wanted us to learn how to remember when we're shifting what gear we're in and just have it in muscle memory rather than be able to look down and see what gear you're in. Now the motorcycle I have like a more modern motorcycle. I have a newer one. So my screen is digital. I can see what gear I'm in. It looks really nice. But yeah, the way I learned, you could not see what gear you're in. So yeah, that was interesting. Also, they screwed off all of the mirrors on the motorcycles that we're learning on, because they said in this class you're going to learn how to use your eyes and look. We want you to get very vigilant, very visual. You know, you'll get mirrors when you buy your own bike, but for now we want you to get used to looking everywhere. So you didn't have any mirrors in class. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Felt like you were in school with a bunch of adults. You know, college vibes. Now in college, you have a mixture of ages in some of your classes. Kind of felt like that. Everybody was pretty cool. It's a big class we had. Kind of felt like I was in school again. We had a written test and we had a know-it-all in class. You know teachers don't like know-it-alls, chat. You know. This one guy kept trying to correct the instructor, or like, not so much correct, but add to it. Yeah, it was one of those. We all know one of those. All right, let's see here. Nothing for me here, chat. I'm kind of surprised. I mean, it is Monday. I do usually take less trades on Monday, not on purpose. It just, for some reason, it takes a while for me to see something sometimes. So, yeah, I really can't sit here and tell you there's something I would have hopped in here. Let's do this. Let's check out Topstep again. How are they doing now? How are they trading? Because we haven't really found anything. Let's go back a little bit. Okay, so Dakota was down $3. Oh, wait. Okay, Jack took a trade. Jack is right here with the Colorado Mountains behind him. Look like Colorado Mountains. Okay, he took a buy on ES. Or he took a sell on ES. Okay, Jay down here is in a trade. Jay's down $44. Not bad, but up in this trade. Ooh, Jack down 600. Jay down 400. Okay, yeah. Looks like everyone may be having a little bit of a some tough calls today. We're in these big ranges that have small ranges inside of them, you know? All right, looks like they're in the red. Everybody's in the red. That's tough. Very, very tough. Look at NQ on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute. Yeah, what a bounce that was, right? It's like a liquidity wick. Because we did hit that VWAP. So I'm thinking if we're just doing a retracement down to the VWAP, then we may actually get these buyers to come in. But I want to see that buying pressure come in here. And I want to see the sellers test that out. So I like this. I like all this right here that I'm seeing. Buys. Cool, cool, cool. I'm cool with that. Now let's see if we can come back down. I want to see the sellers test this out. And the reason why is because I don't want to enter the trade when the sellers are testing it out. You know what I mean? So I try to wait till the sellers test it. Then I'll get in when I feel like the test is over. You know what I mean? Because if we enter now and then the sellers test it, it's like, oh, wait, we're going backwards now. Where are we going? So I'm going to put a level right over here that I'm going to be watching just so you know what I'm looking at. Looking at this level right here, I want to see price come down, reject this. Even if we go below it and come back above it, this is going to be a very, very important level right here that I'll be watching. I want to see price stay above it. Let's see. It's a weird shape. I'm trying to catch the shape of this. It's such a weird shape. And I'm kind of thinking of it as this could be the fake out. And now we may get the breakout vibe. You get what I'm saying? I measured this before. What did I measure? 80? Yeah, I said 80 points. Yeah, I may look to maybe to 900. Maybe to 900. It's pretty far, huh? It's pretty far. It's 160 points. Hey, that'd be the trade of the day, I'll tell you that. That'd be the trade of the day. Alright, so we haven't seen price come down and test this level. Let's see if it can do it now. That's what I would like to see. Obviously, you know, we can't all have it the way we want to have it, but that's what I would like to see. Okay. Makes sense. Let me know in the chat how are y'all trading today? What's been going on? Y'all been a little quiet? Y'all hopping in trades? This may look good here. Take a buy here. We're gonna put our stop loss below this candle low. And let's see if we can get the breakout now. About a 28-point stop loss. Took out some liquidity here. We took out that low. Oh, how'd they know we were targeting this? Actually, I'm thinking to up here, but this may be a better target though. This may be a better target. TP1 would be at 777. God's numbers, 777. Let's make it happen. And let's just TP1. 297. David, what's up? Good morning to you. I see you. How's it going? Trying to get trading from previous days. Closing right. Still a bit finicky for me. Yeah, well, for me, I gotta like... I guess looking at losses from last week, I have to adjust my stop losses a little more. Here in this, I'm experimenting using the same stop loss I would normally use, but yeah, that's why I bought this account. I was just experimenting with stop loss adjustments here. Now this is a stop loss I normally use, but how's the stop loss work in March, right? Is the question. You know, we did pretty good last week. We had all green days except for Friday. We ended off Friday in the red, but Monday through Thursday was a green day. And after stream, I actually made more money after stream. So good green days last week, except for Friday. So still doing well overall. When we're like maybe 1 or 2 trades away, I'll show the balance so you can see us passing. Yeah, let's see if we can get 940 out of this. Or should we make it 1,000? Where's 1,000 at? 1,000 is right here. Hey, I mean, if it pops, right? If it pops. How much is the lot? $3? $3. So we only need 1,007, right? I'm over here trying to do the math, chat. Doing the math of, you know, you get a little slip when it closes, and then plus the fees. I think 1,007 would be 1,000 on the dot when it closes. Are you in buys? Yes, Lee. Yes. Yes, I'm in buys. This is the entry right here, and then you can see the risk was 5 contracts. Can you see that? I'll try to. Do I have to zoom in a little more? And the stop loss is down here at 720. 720. Risking 28 points. If you want to be technical with ticks, it's 28.75. So 28. Let's do the math. 28 times 4. That's 112 plus 3. I'm risking 115 ticks. If you want to be like technical, but 4 ticks is 1 point. So I just go by points. We're risking 28 points. Why do I go by points, chat? It's just easier to count the money that way. I know with futures you call it ticks, but I just throw all 4 ticks together, which makes 1 point, and it just makes it so much easier, you know? And 5 contracts on micro NASDAQ is $10 a point. So I'm risking half the amount of a full size on a mini, right? If you were to trade NQ, which is a mini, 1 contract is $20. If I risk $20 on this trade, I'd be risking like $600, and I'm not risking $600 per trade in this market. The account is going to be blown most likely. You know what I mean? You want to give yourself a few chances, not 3 chances. Know what I mean, chat? So if we risk $300 per trade, overall drawdown is trailing 3,000. So just can't lose 10 times in a row. So 10 times is a pretty decent amount. Versus only giving yourself 3 times, right? Then after 3 trades, your account's gone. You got to buy a new account, you know? But everyone has their own opinion on risk, of course. You know, everyone does risk management their own way. So to each their own, you know? Can you manage risk quick on your trading platform like you do with Magic Keys? Yeah, I mean, just click and drag, right? You can just click and drag this. It's pretty simple. And with the Magic Keys, you have brackets, right? So I set this to automatic brackets. So if you notice, once I entered, the brackets came on. So yeah, pretty much same thing. They do have a break even button on the side. I'll take so you can see it. We have a break even button as well. It's not highlighted because I'm in drawdown. When you go back in profit, the break even button will be highlighted for you, meaning you're able to click it. All right, stopped out of that one. Gave it a try. Tough. Remember I said I was watching this level here. change the color. So now we currently have price coming down towards that level again. So back to being in watch mode here. Watch and you see how price behaves here. Quite the range. What about closing half the position? Yeah, you just put a limit order on. Put a limit order on and then you can close half of your position. Or any, you can close any amount of contracts. Disrespectful. This is disrespectful, Nas. See, I like that we're getting a bounce on this area. Originally, I took a buy because we bounced on this area here, right? Same concept. That's the area I'm looking for buyers to hold. But at this point, I'd have to wait it out here. All right, so now you can see we're breaking through that level, right? So, jeez. In watch mode. Thank you, Lynn Zeus. What's up? What's up? Appreciate you being here on stream. Appreciate all of you for being here on stream. Thank you everyone for coming to the stream today. Appreciate it. Gold is still chopping around over there. Not much on gold here. Got about 2 minutes on this candle. We are breaking lows here. Looks like we're going to be driving down towards the level I have. And like I said, like I said last week, this is what's making the market a little bit harder to trade, is that we have buyers and sellers strong on both sides. On both sides, they're strong, so it can throw you off a bit. Hey Lens, it's in a pinch between anchored VWAP and VWAP. Yeah, if I turn that on and let's go back to anchored. Yeah, it's still in that pinch. Yeah, I was giving it a chance because we had some good setups last week with the same setup. But yeah, we're in the pinch, so. Hey, if you take a loss in the pinch, you can only blame yourself, chat? Because it's in a pinch. For those who don't know what the pinch is, it's typically where you're gonna end up ranging quite a bit. So they just say stay out of it. Now we're coming out of the pinch. So that's, although we came out of the pinch in the last 15-minute candle too, and we closed back inside of it. If this 30-minute candle, which it closes in 3 minutes, closes bearish here and the next 30-minute continues down, maybe it will just continue selling off today, huh? Guess we'll have to see how this closes. Tough to say. Let's see, just kind of measuring the candles here. We're under that 700 level. I'm gonna turn off the VWAP stuff. Almost want to pull up US 30 and compare the chart a little bit to NASDAQ. Because, geez, this is quite the range, huh? Let's see if we can pull up that Dow Jones. I'm going to pull it up on TradingView. See, we're going on to the 3 minute. Huh? It is a whole different story. Whole different story. $9.30 exploded up. Then we just started to range, but these are some good buy ups here. Oops, I didn't really need the opening range. Just want to see the E-minute here. Wow. Yeah, definitely not the same as Nash chart today, huh? Interesting. Let me know in the chat if anyone else has been trading YM. I know Ian has. I know Ian's not here right now, but wow. Like, these buys are crazy. 300 points. Eating off of US 30. You can definitely eat off of US 30. Jeez. That's interesting. All right, let's close that. All right, back over to NAS. We got a new 15-minute candle, which means we have a new 30-minute candle. We closed below VWAP in the previous candle. So my thoughts is if this continues down, then we may be coming down, but we'll see. This is the new 30-minute. that top wick there. Guess I'm just gonna weigh out a little bit here and NAS, y'all. Nothing for me. I'm not taking anything on this candle here. Jeez. Tough. I'm gonna put a poll in the chat. I want to know. Let's see. Are you having a tough trading day? And a tough trading day doesn't mean you're losing. A tough trading day could just be tough with patience, just annoyed with the setups. Or let's rephrase it. Are you annoyed with the market today? There we go. Are you annoyed? I'm annoyed today with the market. Let me know how you're feeling this morning. I feel like Mondays is always a 50-50 for me, whether it's going to be annoying or not, you know? 50-50. All right. So we went from 700 all the way down, coming down here. We got a 650 level coming up. What did we miss, chat? What did we miss? Oh, I kind of see it now. Did we miss this? Is that what we missed? Let's see it on a higher time frame. Perhaps. Perhaps that's it. Well, you know, it is what it is. By the way, don't forget to like the stream if you've been enjoying the stream today. Let's check out some videos on Twitter here while we're waiting. Crazy clips. What's this? Oh. Oh, okay. Let's not watch the rest of that. TOS, terms of service. Maybe TOS for YouTube. I don't want to get banned. What in the world? Ooh, here's a good one. Remember, you are the star of your life. You are the star, chat. Remember that. Shine bright. See, look at NAS here. Look at NAS here. I'm also watching gold, but hey, we try to get into these gold buys, right? Tough. Definitely not going to take a buy at the top of this resistance area here. Not a fan of the area at all. So yeah, I'd wait. Matter of fact, if I anchor the opening, I'm just curious. So we never closed above the anchored opening until here. So when we took a buy over here, we never closed above the anchored opening. That's really interesting. Good to know. Sell MNQ on close a 5-minute candle. Very annoyed, had a buy limit order on gold and it missed it by 2 pips and pushed up 170 pips. I'm so sorry, Millicent. How you doing, Millicent? Welcome back to the stream. Market structure on gold, just annoying. Close outside 9:30 opening range. Let's check out the opening range. Let's see. Here's our opening range. Yeah, I mean, it looks like we are rejecting that opening range, right? Which is, you know, if we're going below the VWAP and rejecting opening range, strong sells. That's strong selling vibe. Tell you that. But for me to sell this off, I need a way to enter here. And I don't like the way this looks here. There's nowhere I would put my stop loss here, so I'd have to wait. But what I'm thinking for sells is, now that we're inside of here, maybe we can get a pullback to here, and then maybe I can hop in the trend, huh? We'll see what happens. It's forming another pendant here. Pendant City. Where's my Pendant City sticker? It's Pendant City in here. We got one forming right here. Everybody see that? So, yep, we got that going on. Looking like 3-bar reversal vibes. We may get a small reversal up here. But yeah, it looked like pendant vibes to me. Ooh, look at that. I like this. I like this vibe for some sells. I like that wick retest, chat. Right, if we hold this wick, come down and break this low, I kind of like that for continuation sells. But let's see. Let's see. Not impulsing. Gotta see a break of a low. Gonna keep watch here on the 3-minute time frame. Gold's having a time as well. Man, all these are annoying. All of these are annoying, chat. Jeez. Well, we're here to keep you company while you trade, you know, because this is just brutal, brutal, brutal. By the way, the opening range is right over here. So price is back inside of the opening range at the bottom here. So I'll tell you what, if we come up out of this opening range, then yeah, I'll probably for something. But other than that, I'm trying to look at it both ways because remember when I said over here that this was a fake out to go up? Well, now look at it. If you look at it now, we definitely took out these lows, right? So you see what I mean? So now it's really looking like this was the fake out. You get me there? To then do that. It's giving that vibe. So it's a tough spot. I could see it either way here. Now, which way is stronger in my opinion? In my opinion, the buys seem stronger. The buys seem a lot more stronger. Yep. So that's my opinion on that. If we look at it both ways, in my opinion, buys look stronger than sells. Feel free to let me know what you think in the chat. Feel free to let me know how you feeling. How are you feeling about NAS? Actually, yeah, let me know. Are you feeling sells? You feeling buys? I'm feeling like buys are stronger. So but yeah, don't be afraid to say you're feeling sells. You know, I can always be wrong, of course. Put this a little bit down. Got a 5-minute closure coming up in about 20 seconds here. It's just the level that I'm watching. Your brain, you feel like a buy? Okay. Okay. All right, no mercy in here. We're back up at the 700 level. I don't want an impulsive buy here. I would like to see it come down a little more, although it could just take off here. I just don't want to have a tight stop loss, because if I buy here, my stop loss is going right here for 14 points. I ain't gonna lie. But I feel like that's a tight stop loss in these market conditions. So for stop loss reasons, I'm gonna wait, because I don't think 14 points. I mean, it could work, but 14 points feels a little tight with the volume, right? Okay, see, now we're getting the sellers to fight back here. That's what we want to see. All right, when the buyers came in, you want to see those sellers step in and test it out, test out the waters. Go ahead, jump in the pool, let us know the temperature. Taking a deep dive in the water here. See, I like this. If we pull back up and break this high, maybe. Let me see. Where's that at? Yeah. See, that looks better if we flip up now. To me, it looks better. To me. Because we rejected this line that I was watching here too. All right, I'm going to enter another buy here, giving NAS another chance at buys. We got in at a lower price this time. $28 stop loss. Wow, same amount of points as before. Go going to target these highs. That'll be 1100. TP1's about 40 points away. Trying to do the math here, chat. Down 426. Oh, well, look at that. We're just up $200 real quick there. Down 426. So if we get 1180, we hit TP minus 426. Should be about 750 on the day, which is half of the goal. Perhaps. We'll see what happens. See what happens. Got a good stop loss on this one. Gonna turn that off. And we're gonna watch. We're in watch mode here. Actually, TP1 should be a little bit smaller. It should be at 740. Where I put it at 750? 740 should be TP1. And when we hit TP1, I'm going to move stops to break even here. Sell vibe 0 degrees. You're funny, Johnny. Think buys as well. Daily gives buy vibes. So yeah, I mean, we could close here and make back half of the losses. But I think this trade has pretty good potential. So I'm going to do my best to ride it out a little bit longer. Because we are at the bottom of the opening range. That's the only... Well, now we're a little bit off the bottom, right? This is the opening range. So even if we get to the middle of the opening range, how much money is that? The middle of the opening range will be up about 600 almost. 600. Maybe we should be going for 1300 here. Now that I'm just looking at this. All the way back up. We'll see. Maybe we're being too ambitious in this market. We'll see. So yeah, TP1 is about 35 points away, I believe. 33 points away. Okay, 33 points away from the entry is TP1, and then I will be moving stops to break even. Let's see. New 3-minute candle coming into play here. We're gonna play a little game to waste a little time. Oh my god, I feel like this is so far over. Shit, it's stuck. I gotta sacrifice it. Gotta sacrifice it. Sacrifice that too. Oh my god, I just crashed out, chat. I just sacrificed my queen. Oh no, I just crashed out. I just sacrificed 3 pieces in a row, one of those being my queen. What the heck am I doing, chat? Oh no. Oh no, we need a reset. Let's take a look back in the market here. We got a new 3-minute candle. We got about 1 minute left on it. It is pushing up. Yeah, I mean, looks like we are struggling quite a bit here. Quite a bit of a struggle. We have gone up about 28 points in profit. Jeez, what a struggle. What a struggle. Let me know in the chat, how do you do with holding trades? Do you struggle with holding trades? Where are we at with holding trades? How are we feeling about that? Let me know. Does watching the stream help you hold trades? Let me know. Not liking this choppy volume here. I'm gonna move stops to break even here, because I kind of expected us to launch up a little quicker than that, especially the TP1. So I forgot who asked earlier about if it had buttons like the magic keys, but I just pressed the break even button. So see how quickly it just boom, break even. So I do like that feature. Again, the break even button is only going to be highlighted if you're in profit. If you're in drawdown, it won't be highlighted for you to press it. I mean, 4% today. D-Hub, let's go. Gold was really messy today, but with clean setups. Yeah, you know, we had these buys mapped out pretty well. Just we got mixed up in the chop. Only took 1 chance on gold today and just left it at that. I didn't take it again, but maybe over here at 10-12, was that 10-12? Maybe over here we could have gave it another chance. Yeah, just wasn't feeling gold's nonsense today. I'm just gonna close this. Guess we'll have to reevaluate here. $20. $20 ain't nothing to talk about. Oh, see, it would have hit break even anyway. Right there is break even. Would have smacked us at break even right now as we speak. May give it a re-entry here. Patient buys. It's like I holding trades, so I developed a style where I don't need to. Okay, there you go, Robert. I like that. I like that, and that's why I kind of like the lower time frame, because you can get into some quick setups. Going higher, back to stop for those who got in early. Yeah, it would have hit our break even here anyway. It already hit where our entry point is. So we'd have to get back in anyway here. But let's take a look at it at a higher time frame. Even though we're just ranging. Look at it on the 15-minute. Now, 15-minute candle was no bueno. No bueno. Now see, now look at the 5-minute here. My goodness. Why doesn't the market like us? No, I'm just playing with you, chat. Market's doing its job, right? You crashed out today? Oh no. One thing I learned from the stream is patience. Thank you, Dave. Hit the like button, fam. Thanks, Dave. Kendo, hey. Rise and shine. Good morning to you. Appreciate you coming through. Thanks for coming to the stream. Thank you all, everyone who's been spamming up the like button, who's been chatting, who's been watching. Thank you so much. We're still respecting that level I had here. We're just retesting it again. Watching this level here. May give it another go. Well, we got about 1 minute and 30 seconds for the next 15-minute candle. Not a fan of the way the 15-minute candle's closing. That's what I don't like, but I like this idea here. Let's see what happens. We have to lower our risk this time, though. I think. Less than 1 minute to go. We got about 50 seconds on the clock till this candle closes, which is going to be the 15-minute candle closure. So maybe we'll just wait for this candle to close. 48 seconds on the clock. Wow. 15 seconds till closure. Alrighty, well, we got a new candle. Looks like buyers are trying to step in here. What do we like or don't like here? Like this little liquidity grab here. So again, this price level, I wanted to see price test it, which it did test it over here, which is why we entered buys. Let's see, test and reject. So we're kind of doing the same thing here. But I don't really see entry point yet. Oh, maybe on the 15-minute flip. There's 15-minute candle flip. A 15-minute candle flip would be here. I'm trying to see what would that look like. I guess it'd be like a Head and Shoulders vibes, right? Everybody see that? I just now seen that. I don't know. If we pushed back up here. Let me know if you see that vibe in the chat. I like that we took out this previous low, so we'll see. Playing a dangerous game here, chat. Trading ass. Dangerous. Might be time to call it a day. Come back and reevaluate. It's a Monday. Finish the week strong. Yeah, it's Monday. It's Monday. I'm gonna stick with trading after lunch on Mondays going forward. Looks like the sellers are getting tired on that level on gold. It's a tricky level, because if we turn the VWAP, we're below the VWAP. But being below the VWAP could also mean we're building a support on it to bounce up too. So can't always go by that. But yeah, I'm just looking to see what levels we hold or don't hold. If I don't see what I like, then cool, I'm not getting in anything. Now this candle flips up bullish, it'll be like a 3-bar reversal vibe, which would make sense for this entry here. Again, only if this candle right here flips up bullish, it would give like a 3-bar reversal vibe. So if it doesn't do that, then we stay in our watch mode, right? If anything, if we break this lows, then I gotta take the buys out the bag. I can't. We break these lows. Oh, broke the lows. Alrighty. I take that off then. No need to watch that now. Trying to see if we missed a pattern formation here. I guess if we go back to this that we were looking at earlier and we drag it out, just drag it out. I guess if we go back to here, we broke through, maybe, I don't know, just trying to see if we missed something. That's look good for sells. Looks like sellers are getting tired. Oh, wait, I read that one. Well, we are officially below the opening range. And officially below VWAP. So again, I'll draw the opening range for you again. It's the opening range here. Still haven't closed outside of it though. We have not closed outside of it. We're below it. Does look kind of look good for sells here, but we may come back up again because that was a pretty big sell-off. 68 points, almost 70 points. The reason why I said that is because now we just kind of broke through this structure, right? So had all that volume, broke through that structure, so you're probably gonna get price to come back up again here. Man, what a Monday, chat. What a Monday. Look at gold sneaking over here. Sneakster gold. Looks like it may be going for another bullish breakout. I'm staying out of that though. I don't like it. I don't like it enough to enter it. I'll put it that way. I'd like it a little more to enter it. So we got NASDAQ coming up here. Back testing this. I have a weekly level here at 667. Tell you what, this candle flips back bearish. I may take a look at that. Let's just watch it for now. Wait, is this the same as this? Oh no, it's two different things. What's this measurement? 51. 51, insane. Ain't no way. Okay, so it's around here. Ain't no way. Hola, hey Abby, good morning. How do you compare this first quarter compared to last year? This quarter compared to last quarter? Well, we didn't have all this volume. So, as far as like on the lower time frame, you weren't getting 3-minute candles that were 70 points. You know what I mean? All the time. So that's one thing. Give me 1 second to answer your question, because I'm thinking about entering a trade here. Just kind of watching this here. But yeah, the volume in the candles on the lower time frame is really the biggest difference here. That could be our retest chat to hop into this. I'm going to take a candle flip play here. Candle flip to continue off this sell-off. Now the question is how far am I thinking? Minimum. Oh, right here. That's TP1. We hit TP1. I'll probably. Yeah, TP1 would be break even for the day, I guess. So we got a candle flip set up here. We got a retest of that range, then a drop past those lows. Giving this one a chance. Risk is 187. This one doesn't work out. I'll probably take a break, come back for power hour, and see what power hour has. Kind of like what I did last week. I got most of my bigger setups all last week during power hour. Like pretty big setups. Are y'all seeing it? I post them. Lots of $700 and $800 trades. Which does the justice, right? So, you know, with the way I do my risk management, that's why I don't trip if I'm down $400, $500. I don't really trip because I know that one of my trades could be 700 to 1,000 range, which makes it all back in one trade. So yeah, if you feel like you're a little shaky with your risk, just lower your risk, and you know where you're in that spot where you're like, okay, I feel a little bit better here. May not like the loss, but I feel okay, right? That's your spot for risk. What's power hour? Power hour is 2 p.m. New York time, 2 to 3. It's an old school term, power hour, between 2 and 3. Very, very popular time to trade for professionals, especially those on Wall Street too. But yeah, power hour is very popular. Robert said way more volatile than last year. Leslie, good morning. What have I missed? Tricky market today for me. Not much. I'll do a quick review. This morning, I was looking at this range here on gold, and see, we got this bullish closure here, and we spiked that high. I took a buy here and got stopped out. Just to give you an idea of the range of this candle, the range of this candle is 40 points. Insane. And then I didn't give it another chance. My thoughts were buys on gold, but I didn't give it another chance. So that's the only trade I took today over there. On NAS, I took a trade over here for buys, and we were up about $200. The most we were up was $280. I didn't take it. I put stops to break even, so we didn't get nothing out of that. Maybe if we would have took the $200, we would have made back half the losses of the day, but it's all good. Because you know, you want to climb yourself out of the hole for the day, but it's all good. Looking at these sells here on NAS, let's chop it around quite a bit. Wow. Chopped liver, huh? I feel like we keep getting caught in the chop. Keep getting caught in the chop. Which could be a bit annoying. Stop loss is 18 points, so not a huge stop loss on this. But yeah, y'all, the big difference between this year and last year is 100% the volume in the smaller time frame. Not that NAS doesn't move a lot, of course, but you know, seeing the 1 minute do 50-point candles back to back to back, like, it's a little much. All right, so we're just bouncing around this 650 level. I'm not really liking that we keep bouncing here, but we'll see. Show it to you on the 1 minute here so you can see a little more detail. But yeah, that's a summary. Took 2 trades today. This is trade number 3. Not liking this chat. I'm gonna cut this a little early. I don't like this. It looks like a kind of like a double bounce here, and this is a really important level, 650. You don't want to see a double bounce on an important level. I mean, if we were in thin air, whatever, but this is a very specific level to have a double bounce on. So I cut it a little early. Now it's kind of giving that 3-bar reversal vibe again. Tricky, tricky. Well, we got stopped out here. Stop loss was above this candle, so how much money we save? 125 minus 125 instead of minus 180. So I guess we save $50. Not much, but it's something. Well, buyer stepped in again here. I think about US 30. I haven't traded US 30 since last year. Topstep's closing early today. Oh, let me see. Topstep closing early today. Wait, is there a reason why? Did I miss something? How come they're closing early today? You funny, Leprechaun Day. Yeah, I've seen all their traders were in the red today. It's a tough day. Let's check them out here. They still live while we're waiting here. All right, let's see. It's Jack's chart. Jack's, oh man, Jack's down 900, but he's currently up 600 in this trade. So let's see how are the others doing since we left. Oh, so he was down. Okay, I see. He took partials. So he was down 1100, but he's been taking partials on this trade, which is good. Back a little money. Jay's down $1. Maybe that's some money. All right, well, hopefully this trade works out for Jack here. All right, taking a look at here. Buyers stepped in. As I said, it's double bottom on a very, very important level here. We've been looking at this trend all day, eh? What a trend we have here. So look at the bounce here in the 15-minute. "43 seconds till the 3-minute candle closes." Take a look at gold. Gold actually went nowhere. Remember over here? And I was talking about this and I was like, yeah, it don't look good enough for me to buy because I just did not like this. Gold has just been faking people out all day. My goodness. Back on NAS because it looks like we're just going to be concentrating on NASDAQ today. Actually, why don't we, if we full screen NASDAQ. What? It takes away the levels? What the heck? Why? Why? Why does it take away the levels when I go to full screen? That is annoying. That's weird, right? Look at that in the 1 minute. Only looking for something on NAS once it breaks out. Falling parallel channel. Oh, look at the bounce. Now the buyers are coming in. That 5-minute wick. I like that 5-minute wick. But we do have a minute and 35 seconds left on this candle here, so I'd like to see this candle close. And then I'll think about it. Now we really need a 1K trade, huh? 1K, 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 1K. This will be 1,500. Oh, a $1,500 trade would work. Give us a $1,500 trade. Shoot, we won't complain. Who said Monday was trash? I didn't say that. Did y'all say that? Who said they were annoyed with the market today? Shoot, 1,500. We're not annoyed. We are just pleasantly fine. How long we been live? 2 hours and 50 minutes. About to be going on 3-hour stream here in about 10 minutes. We're getting a closure in about 30 seconds. I am really looking at maybe taking another shot at this, maybe the break of this high, because we haven't gone to this moving average in a while. We did over here, but it's been a bit. Bottom wick would be nice on the next candle. Bottom wick would be nice. Let's see if we can. And this is the 700 level too. So let's see. Okay, we got a little bottom wick there. Let's see if we can get a buy up. Just kind of waiting here. Candle's halfway done. At the halfway mark here. Alrighty, let's see if we can get this push up above these highs. We get that break above the highs. I'm gonna give this a shot. $55 seconds left on this candle here. $23 seconds on the clock. 23 seconds. All right, that's what I wanted to see here. Did it at the last second. Literally the last second. I may add to this if I see stuff that I like. I see stuff that I like. Let's see if we break above here. This will be 15. Yeah, we'll see if this 3-minute candle can break above this high. Then I may add to it. I'll see where my stop loss is when I move it, because then I'll move my stop loss up a bit. Gold, and it's still not really doing much. Every time we look at gold, it's around this area. Now it's back down in this area. Tough on gold. So just waiting here, being patient. If this trade doesn't work out, then I'm done till power hour. And I'll take a look at the market again. I'm having me a nice little breakfast. But again, that's why I switched back over to the combine and off of the XFA, because I wanted to get adjusted with this volume stop loss wise. And see if I needed to, if I do widen my stops, where are they gonna go? Stuff like that. But I mean, overall, we're doing pretty well in this combine. I mean, we got, what, 4 green days last week, 1 red. Yeah, Monday through Thursday was green, Friday was red. Today we're red so far, but we'll see. Still got power hour. Oh, there we go. Stopped out of that one. That's okay, chat. That's okay. So, yeah, I'm going to wait out till power hour here. I'm going to check back in, which is 2 p.m. New York time. So, okay, I got about 2 hours. 2 hours till power hour time. That's when I've been getting a lot of good trades anyway. So, we'll see. Let me see if I can pull up some of my power hour trades from last week. Let's see. I'm in the Discord here. Power hours 2? Yeah. Sky, what's up, Sky? Hi, player. You're getting banned. Okay, let's see. This somebody got banned right in front of y'all, chat. Okay, I streamed Power Hour last week. Yeah, we had a really good setup on NAS last week during Power Hour. I'm not gonna stream Power Hour today though, chat, because I'm a little tired, to be honest. This was the other Power Hour setup. Such great setups. This one was smooth. Really great setups. This one too. This was over $1,000, this Power Hour setup. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till Power Hour, check back in, see if I see something. I'm gonna take a 2-hour break. I'm gonna go to the gym, shower, work out, come back nice and fresh. And yeah, sounds good. Got a 1 to 3 on the EU. Got out the market kind of slow with no news after. Yeah, there was like no news today, huh? Nice that you got into that trade there. Shout out to everyone who got some W's today and who's in the green. Glad you're in the green. Love to see it. Yeah, it's time for me to go to the gym. And I need to change because I'm not wearing this to the gym. All right, fam. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. We had such a great stream. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I will catch you tomorrow morning. If you're a member, I will catch you in the evening because we're going to do a review of New York session today. All right. On that note, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please have a wonderful day. Don't forget to smile today, and I'm out.
And watch me weep. I love everything. Fire. Eight rounds in the 45, it go down. You wanna come in and play with the goat? 45, it go down. You wanna come in and play with the goat? 8 rounds in the 45, look, I was passive aggression, passive aggressiveness. I left him hanging. You wanna come in and play with the goat? You wanna come in and play with the goat? Situation, he going up like inflation. Fuck all the haters that said that he couldn't make it. My brother drowned in the lake. How could all you people mistake it? He fought hard for what he had. Murderers holding guns. You worried about all the extra to water gets in your lungs, nigga. Hey, how could you do this shit? How could you do this when you know I'm going through this shit? Real shit, G shit, I really do this shit. I ain't about it, but you know I'm walking through this shit. Look, 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Look, 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Look, 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Yeah. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Yeah. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Yeah. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Yeah. Fuck, I ran, I hit the dealer. Serving Coke 45 at the bleachers. Gotta follow for a follow, I'm the leader. Hit the bitch, then I pass, I don't need her. But don't call Peter. Like the Griffins with the lowest with the Peter. At the posse be smoking gasoline. I cannot fuck with these lean eyes.